YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Smack TV Ty, and I'm coming at you again with another banging video. As you can tell by the title, we got some changes coming along to the Tahoe, to the work truck. And I'm gonna try and show y'all what I'm doing. I kind of started already, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing and show y'all how to do it in case y'all don't know. So let me go ahead and show y'all that. All right, so I'm putting the keys on this truck. Putting these keys on, you know. Got it jacked up. I already supported on jack stands. You always want to use jack stands when you're working on the vehicle, because you do not want that bitch to fall on you. That is not a good sight and a good feeling. Let me show y'all what I'm doing and why I got a hammer in my hand. Boom. Here we go. So to get this out, you gotta hit it with a hammer and spray some WD-40 or some penetrating oil on it. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and do that right now. Please bear with me, you guys. And like that, we up out of there. Boom, boom. New key. Y'all always want to line it up and see if it matches, which it do. So we're not even gonna worry about too much of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that in there and I'm gonna get back with you guys. So the key's in on one side, the driver's side. You keep in mind, you do have to adjust these, but like I said, I'm lifting the front of this truck all the way up to where I have a lean or a squat, whatever you want to call it. I don't want too much of a squat, I want more of a lean. So right now you do have to adjust these. It would be best to measure before you do anything, to measure from the bottom of the wheel to the top of the wheel, which touch the fender, and measure how much it is from the beginning. And then once you put the keys in, and then that way you could adjust how you want to go. This go to 3 inches. So this one right here might be at 3 and some change. I'm not sure yet. But I got mine to where I can see 4 threads. I'm gonna do that to the other side. The other side still have a stock key in there. But just want to show y'all this side. As you can tell, this wheel is almost on the ground. That one is nowhere near it. So we already made some progress. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this side out and give y'all the finishing look. I'm back and we done. Got that side. Hey, what y'all wanna do is get with the proper tools, because I had to use this crescent wrench. This junk was a pain, dog. A pain. This is a special tool you gotta buy. They actually sell these. This is like $20 on eBay. Worked fine for me. Under heavy pressure, it didn't mess up the thread. So yeah. Let's go ahead and take these jack stands up off here. See what it looks like. This is the finished product. You can see a little bit, got a little lean to it, which is all I wanted. Nothing too special, you know. I'm kind of digging it, though. I'm kind of digging it. Kind of want to go a little higher, though, but I want to go a little bit higher. It's straight, though. It's straight for right now. All right, man. So y'all see the progress I did to the truck. Y'all don't see what I did, but mess with it though. Like, look at it. I mess with it. Hopefully y'all mess with it. If not, I don't care because I did it anyway. I did it for me. But new setup coming soon. Had to put the lift on first though. Got tired of that nosedive. But on that note, y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this to your friends, family, whoever. But on that note, Smack TV Tahoe.